Lesson 1-5, How to Share Production Status. Production progress board can be expanded to watch clearly even far from the display. You can show the progress to the production line with a big monitor while reducing current manual whiteboard work. These data are automatically updated and make workers be conscious of their achievement ratio. Of course, achievement ratio for 1 hour and progress of each machine can be expanded too. So, let's explore how to see on the system. Show the progress board, following Lesson 1-3. To expand the board, you need to save the setting. Enter the understandable graph name and select Yes, then, click on OK. Big screen mode is available now. In the same way, 1 hour progress also can be shown with the big screen mode. Enter the name and select Yes, OK, then, click on Big Screen. Similarly, let's display the progress of each machine on a big screen. By showing these progress status to the line, you do not need to manage the production with a whiteboard, and everyone can find the achievement ratio immediately.